Hey everybody, Diana Marie here. We're about to unlock the secrets of the universe with shapes. It's called sacred geometry. Remember connecting the dots as kids? We'd start with random dots and then bam, a masterpiece. Sacred geometry uses triangles, circles, squares, and funky shapes. These shapes are hidden messages from the universe. Buckle up, we're going on a wild ride through the cosmos with geometry. Let's do this. First up on our shape-tastic adventure, we've got the OG, the one and only the circle. This bad boy is all about unity, wholeness, and good vibes only. Think about it, the sun, the moon, even a pizza, before you demolish it, of course. All circles. And you know what else is cool about circles? They have no beginning and no end. So next time you see a circle, take a deep breath in and let it out. Feel that sense of calm and connection? That's the circle magic working its wonders. You know what else is awesome about circles? They're all about movement and flow. Think about a spinning top or a hula hoop. Those circles are all about letting loose and having some fun. And speaking of fun, have you ever noticed how people gather in circles? Whether it's a group hug, a team huddle, or even just friends chatting it up, circles bring people together. It's like that invisible force field of friendship and connection that just draws you in. So, the next time you're feeling disconnected or out of sorts, remember the power of the circle. Gather your crew, draw a big circle on the ground, chalk, tape, whatever you got, and just hang out. You'll be amazed at how quickly the good vibes start flowing. Circles are like the life of the party, always bringing people together and spreading joy wherever they go. So embrace your inner circle, my friends, and let's get this party started. Alright, let's move on to our next superstar shape, the mighty triangle. This three-sided wonder is all about strength, stability, and finding your balance. Just like me trying to walk in heels after a double espresso. Think about it. Pyramids, those ancient wonders that have been standing strong for centuries. Triangles, mountains, those majestic giants that touch the sky. Triangles, even a slice of watermelon, my personal favorite. You guessed it, a triangle. Triangles are basically the superheroes of the shape world, always there to save the day and keep things from falling apart. They're like that super reliable friend you can always count on, no matter what life throws your way. So, the next time you're feeling a little shaky or unsure of yourself, just channel your inner triangle. Stand tall, plant your feet firmly on the ground, and remember that you are strong, you are capable, and you got this. But don't let their strength fool you. Triangles are also all about balance. Remember that whole three sides thing? Well, each side represents a different aspect of life, and it's all about finding that sweet spot where everything works together in perfect harmony. Think about a triangle pointing upwards. It represents growth, reaching for the stars, and aiming high. But a triangle pointing downwards reminds us to stay grounded, connected to our roots, and appreciate where we came from. It's like finding the perfect balance between studying for that big test and indulging in a Netflix marathon with a giant bowl of popcorn. It's all about finding that happy medium, my friends, and triangles are here to guide us. So embrace the power of the triangle, find your balance, and get ready to conquer the world, one equilateral side at a time. Today, we're diving into the super chill world of squares. Squares, my friends, are like the ultimate best friend you can always count on. They've got your back, literally, with 4 equal sides and 4 perfect corners. They're like that friend who always shows up on time, never forgets your birthday, and always knows how to make you feel safe and comfy. Think about it. Your house, your room, even your phone screen, they all have squares. It's like the universe is giving you a big, warm hug, saying, "Don't worry, boo, you're safe and sound here." So next time you see a square, take a deep breath, channel your inner square energy, and remember, you are strong, you are grounded, and you are exactly where you're supposed to be. Keep shining, beautiful souls. Now, squares aren't just about feeling safe and cozy. Oh no, they're also all about building a strong foundation for all the awesome things you want to do in life. Just like you need a solid base for a towering skyscraper, you need a strong sense of stability and security to reach for your dreams. Squares remind us to take care of the basics, to stay grounded, and to build a life that's as sturdy as a fortress. And guess what? Building a strong foundation isn't just about bricks and mortar. It's about building good habits, surrounding yourself with positive people, and always believing in yourself. It's about knowing that no matter what challenges life throws your way, you've got this. So let's channel our inner architects and build a life that's as amazing and unshakable as a perfectly formed square. Remember, you are capable of anything you set your mind to. Stay groovy. Hold on to your hats, adventurers, because things are about to get super exciting. Today, we're jet-setting into the world of pentagons, the five-sided shape that screams adventure and exploration. Pentagons are like the treasure maps of the shape world, always pointing us towards new experiences and uncharted territories. They're like that friend who's always down for a spontaneous road trip, a last-minute concert, or a daring midnight snack raid. Think about it. The Pentagon building itself is named after this awesome shape, and it's known for its action-packed history and top-secret missions. Coincidence? I think not. So if you're feeling a little adventurous, embrace your inner Pentagon power. Step outside your comfort zone, try something new, and don't be afraid to explore the unknown. You never know what amazing discoveries await you. Now, pentagons aren't just about physical adventures. They're also about exploring the vast landscapes of our minds and hearts. They remind us that growth and learning never stop, and that every day is a new opportunity to discover something incredible. Just like a pentagon has 5 sides, each unique and connected, we have so many different facets to our personalities. There's always something new to learn about ourselves, a hidden talent to uncover, or a passion waiting to be ignited. So explore your creativity, dive into new hobbies, ask questions, and never stop learning. The world is your oyster, and you, my friend, are the pearl. Embrace the unknown and watch yourself blossom. Remember, every great adventure starts with a single step. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and make some magic happen. Hey there, beautiful souls! Today, we're buzzing with excitement as we explore the wonderful world of hexagons, the 6-sided shape that's all about teamwork, community, and creating something beautiful together. Hexagons are like the ultimate team players of the shape world. They fit together perfectly, like puzzle pieces, to create something stronger and more beautiful than any one of them could achieve alone. They remind us that we're all connected, and that together, we can achieve anything. Think about it. Honeycombs, those marvels of nature, are made up of hexagons. Bees, those masters of collaboration, instinctively know that working together is the sweetest way to build something extraordinary. So let's channel our inner bees and embrace the power of teamwork. Let's lift each other up, celebrate our differences, and work together to create a world filled with love, kindness, and of course, lots of honey. Now, hexagons aren't just about working together on big projects. They're also about the small, everyday acts of kindness and connection that make the world a brighter place. It's about lending a helping hand, offering a listening ear, and spreading love wherever we go. Just like a hexagon has 6 sides, each connected to the others, we're all part of a vast web of relationships. Every interaction, no matter how small, has the power to make a difference in someone's life. So, let's be mindful of our connections, nurture our relationships, and build bridges instead of walls. Let's spread positivity, celebrate our differences, and create a world where everyone feels loved, supported, and part of something truly special. Remember, we're all in this together, and together we can create a masterpiece. Stay connected, stay kind, and keep shining your beautiful light. Hey, geometry explorers! Today we're diving into the octagon, a shape that's all about embracing change, just like when you finally convince your parents to get a pet. Think of it this way. Caterpillars transform into butterflies, tadpoles turn into frogs, and even pizza transforms from a box to your tummy. That's the magic of change. The octagon, with its 8 amazing sides, reminds us that change can be exciting and lead to incredible things, just like this YouTube channel. It's like leveling up in your favorite video game. So, buckle up, grab your snacks, and let's explore the awesome power of the octagon together. Remember when you learned to ride a bike? At first it was scary, right? But then you practiced, and bam, you were off riding like a pro. That's exactly what the octagon wants you to do. Embrace the wobbly moments, the learning curves, and the oops, I fell off my bike moments. Because those moments are what make you, well, you. Just like an octagon always keeps its cool with 8 sides, you've got this whole change thing handled. You're strong, capable, and ready to take on anything. So next time you're facing a change, big or small, remember the awesome octagon and know that you've got the power to transform into the best version of yourself. You got this. Get ready to be amazed, geometry gurus, because today's shape is out of this world. It's the flower of life, and it's here to remind us that everything is connected, just like when you share your toys with a friend, even if it's your favorite teddy bear. Imagine a garden filled with the most beautiful flowers you've ever seen. Now imagine those flowers all connected by invisible threads of energy, like a secret friendship bracelet exchange. That's the flower of life. This magical shape, with its mesmerizing circles, shows us that we're all part of something much bigger than ourselves. It's like being part of the coolest club ever, where everyone is welcome. So get ready to spread those good vibes, because the flower of life is here to show us the power of love, connection, and maybe even a little bit of glitter. Have you ever noticed how everything in nature seems to work together? The sun helps the plants grow, the plants give us oxygen, and we get to enjoy delicious fruits and veggies. It's like a perfectly choreographed dance party. Well, the flower of life helps us understand that we're all part of that amazing dance party. We're all connected, from the tiniest ant to the biggest whale. And just like in a dance party, we all have our own unique moves and grooves. So, the next time you see a tree, a flower, or even your reflection in the mirror, remember that you're looking at a vital part of the flower of life. We're all in this together, and that's pretty amazing, don't you think? Now let's go out there and spread some love and kindness, just like the flower of life teaches us. Hold on to your hats, geometry geniuses, because we're about to unlock the secrets of the universe with Metatron's cube. This shape is like the ultimate puzzle box, filled with hidden treasures just waiting to be discovered. Imagine a shape that contains all the other shapes we've learned about so far: circles, triangles, squares, and more. It's like having a geometry party inside a shape. Metatron's cube is like a secret code that unlocks the mysteries of the universe. It shows us that everything is connected and that even the smallest things can have a big impact. It's like realizing that even a sprinkle of glitter can make everything more magical. So, get ready to expand your minds and open your imaginations, because Metatron's cube is here to show us the infinite possibilities that exist within each of us. Let's go on an adventure. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder and awe? That's the universe calling your name. And guess what? Metatron's cube is like having a little piece of that universe right in your hands. Just like stars are connected by constellations, Metatron's cube shows us that everything in the universe is connected by invisible threads of energy. It's like a giant cosmic web, and we're all a part of it. So the next time you feel small or insignificant, remember Metatron's cube and know that you are a vital part of something much greater than yourself. You are made of stardust, and you have the power to shine brightly. Now go out there and let your inner light shine, just like Metatron's cube. You got this. We're diving into a shape that's about to make your mouth water, the torus. It's like a giant cosmic donut. Energy flows in a constant loop-de-loop of awesomeness. Imagine throwing a frisbee. That's the torus vibe. It's a secret code for energy in the universe. So next time you're enjoying a donut, remember the torus. Now you might be thinking, Diana, what does a donut have to do with me? Well, hold on to your hats, because this is where it gets good. The torus reminds us that life is all about going with the flow. Just like the energy in a torus is constantly moving, so are we. Sometimes we're up, sometimes we're down, but the key is to keep that energy flowing. Don't get stuck in a rut. Embrace the twists and turns, the ups and downs, just like the loop-de-loop of a torus. Think about it like this. When you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, it's like your energy is stuck, kind of like traffic on the freeway. But when you're relaxed and happy, it's like cruising down an open road with the windows down. That's the torus flow. So how do we tap into this awesome energy flow? It's all about finding what makes you feel alive and energized. Whether it's dancing, singing, creating art, or just spending time with loved ones, find your flow and let it guide you. Get ready to zen out, geometry gurus, because today we're diving into the mystical world of the Sri Yantra. This sacred shape is like a visual meditation, a blueprint for balance and harmony. Now close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine triangles. Yep, you heard that right. The Sri Yantra is all about triangles, but not just any triangles. These are super-powered triangles arranged in a mind-blowing pattern. It's like someone took a geometry test and aced it with flying colors. But hold on, there's more. The Sri Yantra isn't just about looking cool, although it totally does. It represents the balance of masculine and feminine energy, the yin and yang of the universe. It's like the ultimate power couple of shapes. So how can this triangle extravaganza help us in our daily lives? Well, imagine the Sri Yantra as a tuning fork for your mind, body, and spirit. Just by looking at it, we can start to align ourselves with its energy of balance and harmony. Now you might be thinking, Diana, this Sri Yantra sounds intense. And you know what? You're not wrong. But trust me, this shape is here to help us, not overwhelm us. It's like a gentle guide on our journey to inner peace. The Sri Yantra reminds us to take a step back, breathe, and find our center. Just like the triangles in the Sri Yantra are perfectly balanced, we too can find balance within ourselves. It's about being present, grounded, and at peace. Easy peasy. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and visualize the Sri Yantra. You can even try meditating with a Sri Yantra image nearby. It's like a visual reminder to stay balanced and centered. And there you have it, geometry geniuses. We've explored the magical world of sacred geometry, from the wholeness of the circle to the balanced energy of the Sri Yantra. Who knew shapes could be so inspiring? Remember, these shapes aren't just random doodles. They're like keys that unlock hidden wisdom and connect us to something bigger than ourselves. They're reminders that we're all part of something amazing, something magical, something geometric. So, what have we learned from our geometric adventure? We've learned that circles are like cosmic hugs, triangles are super strong, squares keep us grounded, and donuts, well, donuts are delicious. But most importantly, we've learned that geometry is everywhere, and it's way cooler than we thought. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep those geometric vibes flowing. And don't forget to check out www.podlingsacademy.com for more awesome lessons. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and stay geometric. Bye!